Some clouds, but we've managed to stay dry in the Fargo, Moorhead, West Fargo area tonight. Dry in Grand Forks. A pleasant evening and a pleasant day to introduce you to tonight's Scheels Weather Kid, Jaden Holland, right here from the FM area. Step on out here now. You go to school at Lewis and Clark. What grade are you in, Jaden?
Fifth.
Fifth? How old are you?
10.
Okay. What hobbies do you like to do when you're not at school or here doing the weather? You like dancing? Hey, what do you think? Is this good?
No.
No. Okay, well, we'll stick to the weather then. Let's have you step right over here, and I want to ask you to point out everybody the conditions that you see outside in Fargo right now.
65 degrees. It feels like 65. And the wind is blowing to southeast and
Good.
15 miles per hour.
Very good. And it's 64 in Moorhead right now. So again, we look out to the west and we see the sun out there. So those clouds not producing much rain in our neighborhood. How about Grand Forks? What does the sky look like right now?
Cloudy.
Yeah, a little cloudy. And point out the temperature for us.
It is
Good.
66 degrees, and it feels like 66 degrees.
All right, and the wind is blowing at 20 miles per hour there as well. So we do have breezy conditions up and down the valley. Here's temperatures out to the west. Why don't you dance around and point out a couple of them for us, would you?
It is 61 in Valley City and 64 in Oaks.
Very good. Now let's sneak over here and point out what's going on in Minnesota. Does it look warmer, colder, or about the same?
About the same.
Good. Point out one or two for us.
It is 61 in Fergus Falls and 63 in Wadena.
Seriously, Jaden, have you done this before?
No.
No. Okay, but you're doing great. Here's a look at the satellite and radar right now. Why don't you point out where you think it's the sunniest? Where are sunny conditions?
Over there.
Over there. Minnesota, not many clouds. How about Fargo, Grand Forks, and Jamestown area here? Do we have clouds?
Yeah.
Quite a bit of clouds. And what's all this green stuff we see?
Rain.
Rain. Now, when we zoom into where it is raining, we're also seeing some of these bolts.
Thunder and
Thunder
lightning.
and lightning. All right, very good. Is it raining in Fargo right now?
No.
No, but there is just a couple of drops off to the west of us, just trying to make their way here. So we can't rule out a sprinkle, but it doesn't look like it's going to rain on any parades tonight. Too heavy. Where do you see some heavier rain right now?
In Findlay.
Good. So Findlay, where we see these yellows, it is certainly raining a little bit heavier. This extends up to Michigan and the Devil's Lake Basin. And then what's the difference between the rain we saw in Findlay and this stuff we see here by Maddock and New Rockford?
It's heavier.
This is heavier. And what do these things mean?
Lightning.
Yeah, we got some thunder showers up there. They're not severe. We're not going to have ginormous hail or anything, but we could get some small hail, some gusty winds, and much heavier rain for that area. Here's the forecast as we head through the evening, and what happens to all those clouds that we're dealing with right now in Fargo?
They go away.
Looks like we're going to have decreasing clouds tonight, and temperatures, where does it look like it'll be coldest? Jamestown, Fargo, or way out to the east?
Way out in the east.
Okay, good. Temperatures will slip down in the 40s, and overnight, look at this, chilly 30s out in central Minnesota. That's cold. What do you think? You need short sleeves and shorts to wear to school in the 30s?
No.
What do you think? What do you recommend?
Long sleeves and pants.
Okay, that sounds good to me too, and maybe even a jacket as you're heading out. Now for Fargo and points east, the temperatures look a little milder in the 40s for the morning, with the rain slipping off to the far west. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. And wow, by the midday hours at lunchtime, does it look hot out there?
No.
Not necessarily hot. How about cloudy or rainy?
Not really.
No, so we're in pretty good shape for our midday hours, temperatures rising, but we only peak in the 60s, so it looks like another cool day. How about wind? How fast does it look like the wind?
15 miles per hour.
Very good. So a breezy evening. If you have Friday night football, does it look like we need to worry about any rain or thunderstorms?
No.
We're quiet here in the valley. So here's a look at the 3 o'clock temperatures region-wide. Still a little cool up in the Langdon area in the upper 50s, and a lot of us will see temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Give everybody their Lewis and Clark morning bus stop forecast for tomorrow.
41.
Okay.
Grab a jacket.
Definitely on the cool side. A few clouds, more sun though for recess weather. Tell them about that.
It will be 57 degrees, slowly warning breezy.
Good, very good. And then after school, how's that look for you?
65 degrees.
Good. All right, mostly sunny, still a little on the breezy side to close out our work week. Look at this gorgeous shot sent in by Michaela. This is Kindred. Sun and dust and some haze. How about Saturday? Does the weather look warmer, colder?
Warmer.
Yeah, a little warmer. 66 degrees for the Bison game down in South Dakota. Temperatures will also be in the 60s. For our Sunday, does it look rainy?
No.
No, sunny actually. Our next chance of rain comes on Monday. It looks like light showers. But as we go into the middle of the week, well, it looks like heavier rain chances and temperatures staying in the 60s throughout. Why don't you follow me this way? You did absolutely outstanding there. And what is your favorite type of weather, Jaden?
Sunny.
You like sunny weather? And you
Even
said
if it's cold, like really cold, or like sunny warm?
Sunny warm.
Nice.
sunny.
All right.
You did a great job.
You did. Very nice job. Well, coming up next, dangerous dog treats. What to do if you have these products.